Welcome to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media.
Top New Collection JCD 8586D Soldering Station Reviews 2026.
Number 4.
FNIRSI DWS 200 Soldering Station, High-Power 200W Electronic Welding and Rework Station with C210/C245 handles and helping hand tools. Features adjustable temperature range, rapid heating, HD color display, wide voltage input, 100 to 240 V, multiple tips included, and dynamic control for PCB and repair work.
Number 3.
JCD 8586D Soldering Station, 2-in-1 hot air gun and soldering station with dual digital displays, 10-minute sleep mode, and precise temperature control. Designed for SMD rework and electronics repair, it offers fast heating and reliable 220V performance for professional soldering and desoldering tasks.
Number 2.
WEMON K21AT210 Soldering Station, Precision Electronic Welding and Rework Station with adjustable temperature 100 to 480 degrees Celsius range, ideal for soldering and repair tasks. It features fast heating, PID temperature control with plus or minus 1 degree Celsius accuracy, a digital display, and ESD-safe design with T210 handle and compatible tips for fine soldering work on PCBs, mobile phones.
Number 1.
JCD 2-in-1 Soldering Station 8586 with LCD digital display, combining SMD rework hot air gun and soldering iron. Supports 220V/110V input with ESD-safe design. Ideal for welding, repair, and electronics work, offering precise temperature control and versatile functionality.
Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.